Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lately I've been playing a lot of Roblox Bedwars, so I wanted to find an auto clicker that was quick and easy to set up. While looking for one, I recently found a free auto clicker that is super easy to use and packed with useful features. It's called Actus Auto Clicker. Downloading it is really simple. Just search for Actus Auto Clicker on Google or go directly to actusclicker.com, then click download. Actus is available for both macOS and Windows, so just choose the version that matches your system. If you prefer downloading through an app store, you can also find Actus in the Microsoft Store and install it from there. Once the download is finished, install Actus and open the app. This is honestly one of the cleanest auto clicker interfaces I have seen. Everything is laid out clearly so you can understand how it works right away. Open the click settings, then drag the slider to adjust the clicking speed. If you want a specific value, click the number in the top right corner and enter it manually. You can also choose which mouse button Actus should click, left, right, or middle. Then choose between a single click and a double click. Once that is done, set your start and stop hotkey. You can use a keyboard key or even one of the side buttons on your mouse. Just choose whatever feels most comfortable for you. Now open your game and press the hotkey. Actus will keep clicking until you press the hotkey again to stop it. The second feature is record and playback. All you need to do is click start recording, then perform your mouse and keyboard actions as usual. Actus records the entire sequence and plays it back with the same timing. You can also customize how the sequence runs. For example, you can loop it continuously, repeat it a fixed number of times, or add a delay between each playback. You can even schedule the sequence to play at a specific date and time. The third feature is probably the most interesting one: image recognition. For example, I can select 5 targets here and click start. Actus recognizes the targets and clicks them automatically in the order I selected. I can also change the clicking order whenever I want. In my testing, it worked very accurately and consistently. Overall, Actus gives you a lot of useful automation features while still being simple and easy to use. The interface is clean, the setup is straightforward, and everything worked reliably in my testing. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.